Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready for a direct transfer. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and make sure both are on the same network or you create a hotspot. Install or enable the sharing method you prefer, AirDrop on Apple, Nearby Share on Android, or an FTP/SMB app for cross-platform. Once done, open the app and grant storage and network permissions. This lets the devices see each other and lets you begin sending files immediately without a cable. You now pick the files and choose Send or Share, then select the discovered device from the list. If you use FTP or SMB, start the server on one device and note the IP and port, then connect from the client using those details. Use a strong password. Make sure transfer settings match. Encryption on if available, correct destination folder, and allowed file types. Once the handshake completes, monitor the progress bar until files begin to stream across the network. Finish by verifying files on the receiving device. Open a sample, check size and timestamp so you know transfer integrity is intact. Then tidy up, close any server, turn off hotspot, and revoke temporary permissions you granted. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, restart the sharing apps, and confirm there are no firewall or IP conflicts. This usually clears discovery problems and gets transfers moving again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.